Potato cucumber rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the cucumber recipes. Today we're going to make potato cucumber rice. The ingredients are 1 large potato peeled and cut into pieces, 1 onion cut in pieces, around 100 grams of cucumber cut into pieces, 2 green chillies, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic. Pour in 10 ml of oil after heating the pan. Put in the oil, onion pieces, the oil, salt adding, put in the ginger, salt, put in the shallots, and mix. Put in the garlic. Salt. Put in the green chillies, salt, put in the tomato pieces, put in the salt and mix. Keep on the top. Put in 1 spoon of mixture spice. Mix the tomato and the mixture spices with the rest of the mixture. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the cucumber pieces. Thoroughly chop in. Put in the potato pieces. Mix thoroughly. Mix in the potato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Pour in 50 ml of water. Mix. Thoroughly mix. And let the mixture get incorporated to the rest of the ingredients. Now put in the rest of the water, around 250 ml. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 to 20 minutes. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. and let this mixture cook for 5 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the potato cucumber rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final potato cucumber rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most tastiest of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the cucumber recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.